Alright, action. Jesus. What loser. Alright, anyways. Alright, anyways. Action. Welcome back, guys, to other video. For the memes. Don't worry, I'll give her back. Ah, she could spawn again. Anyways, I said action already. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna show you my house. Yeah, my house. Money. Well, it says right here. Oh, first I'm gonna show you my cars. Here's my Tesla. Here's my Lamborghini. Here's my Bugatti. And here's a truck. I have other ones. I have this one. Yeah, it's right there. This one. My Uber car. Oh crap, I forgot one. Well, I'll buy it later. I got this one, that one, and yeah. Alright, let's go inside. Boop, boop. Right, this is my house. Here's a room. Here's the bathroom. Here's a disco room. Or party room, you should say. Hold on. Someone out here? Alright, here's my Hello Neighbor scope. Here's where you go to the backyard. I have a pool. Wee. Look at my beard. Jesus, man. I need to shave it off. Anyways, we go in here. We have the kitchen. We have a little resting room. Then we have a balcony out here. Looks sick. I have my cars. Yeah, and over here is like the freezer room, or you could say that, or the closet. Here's a little, little room. Then I have my elevator. Should I use? We'll use. Let's use it for the one in my house. We'll use it for the garage. Alright, floor 1. Yeah, floor 1. We're going down. We're going down. I'll say floor 1's probably the best one. Here we have my gaming room, where I record videos. Yeah. Look, I don't need no green screen. Alright, and then we have, laundry, garage, cars. Oh, crap. Yeah. So then we have the theater, popcorn. And then we have a window to stare at my awesome cars. Right, then let's go to the second floor. Yeah, second floor. Let's see. Anybody beating me? No, I'm best in the service star. Yeah, so yeah, this is that. Now we go to the top floor. I could host the party, but I'll do it later. Now we have the main room. So if we go over here, we have a bedroom. I want to say master bedroom, but you have a closet. That's good. Then we have my trophy room. I'm an artist as well. Artiste. Look at that. Jesus, man. It's raining over here. Sheesh. I don't know if you heard of that thunder. But look at that painting. I use that paintbrush up, down. Look at that. My trophies. Oh yeah, over here we have our bathroom. We have our closet. Over here we have my thinking room. Yeah. Then we go over here. I have the master bedroom. It's not the master. Oh yes it is. Master bedroom and bathroom. Oh yeah, safe. Shh. That's where I keep my money. Shut up. Shush. Alright, then we have another master. Oh yeah, you could say this room. I would say this is the first master room bedroom. This is the second one. You have a jacuzzi, which is nice. Then this is where I host my meetings. Eduardo right there, and Super right here. And Amber stays right here. Oh, I fell. Oh yeah, that's my house. What else should I do? Well, let's take these boys for a spin. Which one do I ride? Comment down below. I'll give you a minute. What the? Someone's trying to get in my house. Money, 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 money. Someone in my house? Nope. Alright. Let's take the good old Bugatti. Yup. You can't hear it. Oh, crap. Well, I'll just write it then. Mining away. I don't know what tomorrow. Jesus. Hey, hey, hey. Oh. Oh, that's the car. That looks trash. Okay. I'll say my car looks better. But I got it. I got this in such Bugatti. This is the first picture you get. Oh. Mining away. Spawn. Alright, let's take out the Lamborghini. Why not? Oh, alright. There we go. Why do these cars drift so much? Jeez, I need to fix the brakes. Crash, crash. Ooh. You're trash. What are you doing? Ooh. Yes, we got a part of the core. Alright, let's take out the truck. No, we're saving that for last. Let's take out the Tesla. Still a million, Jesus Christ. If anybody comes in, we're gonna lock them out. Truck! Jesus! Oh, we're going this way. Holy crap, that one. Holy shit. Yo, that was big boy thunder. Holy shit. The truck. Alright, quickly. The thunder's coming. I hear it outside. I like the truck. The truck is one of my favorite cars. Ouch. Whoa, 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 ho, ho. At least, what the fuck? What the f— Crash, crash, crash! Crash, Nima! I don't want to race him. Yeah, I'm racing him. I'm racing him. I'm racing him. Where is he? Over here, over here. I don't see him. Where is he? Oh, find him. what are you gonna do? Try. Neighbor. Don't mind me, I'm just parking my car. Ah, don't steal my car. He's trying to steal my car. No, 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 no. It's for the Hard Empire. Alright, yeah, yeah, this is my house, pretty much. I got a whole ton of money. Loser. So, I should buy another car, but that's next time. Let me see what happens. Let's go. I mean, let's go. Alright, I'm bored. Man, I love this game. But yeah, that's my house. If you guys enjoyed, I want to see my Meep City house. Like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And staying with me, the other piece of crap. And yeah, I think that's all. Hold up. We need to do this right. What was I thinking? Hold up. Hold up. Let me restart that. Alright, there's one. Oh. Get out! Man, I'm trying to do a cool thing. Hold up, guys, hold up. I'm trying to do something sick. Alright, yeah, that's good. Alright, other one. Get in. Don't tell me to despawn. Oh, crap. The drifting. No, you drift too much. Alright. I forget you. Dang it. Alright, hurry up. I'm going. Oh, yeah, that's good. I need the truck. Where's the truck? Jeez, where is it? Alright. Oh, crap. I'm too... Wait, hold on. That's too much. Back. Go back! I'll just leave it there. Yeah, this is how we do it. Alright, like, subscribe. Oh, hold on. Shush. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and stay with me. The other piece of crap. See you guys later. Peace.